Hello, this is a cube square. Now I'd like to show you how to rotate this face of this. First, we should finish the top face first, and then the first floor, second floor, and the last floor. Now we can choose any side of this cube. Okay. Every face we can find the color, every center of this face. For example, here we can find blue, green, yellow, white, red, and orange. Let's try any side to start. For example, we can start with yellow. Okay. We finish this face first with yellow color. Now we can rotate this by check every side to find yellow color. Okay. Now here we can see yellow. Move it. And here or here, two color. We move it to another side before turn right, turn down, and face the color with this color, yellow. And here, to move it to this, we move it to another position and rotate the same color here. Okay, now we make yellow here. Let's see. Yellow here, okay. This to this, we move to another position and rotate, and again. Okay. This yellow, let's see, is the middle. Here we can put here the middle. Move it. Right, down, right. Okay. And last one, where is it? Let's see. Oh, here. The middle. Okay. Let's see. We can which face. Okay. Here we can move from this to this by move it to another position and down. Okay, the first face is finished. And next we finish this level and this level, and last one this level. Now we will do with this level. Before to that, we focus on the color of center every face: white, red, green, and orange. We can move to the each color face. Okay. Here is green. Okay, but it's not correct. Red should be here, and white is the correct. It means that this correct and this correct, but this not correct, and this not correct. And this position should be here. We should change them. Okay, we can move down and rotate two. Okay, is face, and face. Now we fix color of this corner. The same should be orange. Here we move it to get the orange, and then here. Okay, this yellow with white and red. Where is white and red? Red here and white here. It means that this corner should be here. Okay, should be here. Now move. Okay, this correct. The one color, the same color, the same. This level is finished. Now we the second level. To do that, we have a formula. The formula is from bottom to the right or the bottom to the left. For example, this go green and red, green and red here. It means that the color should be here, from here to here. Okay, bottom to the left. Okay, the formula is, if we want to move from bottom to the left, we move it to the right first, down, return, and return, and down, and the bottom, in the face, the face. Okay, return on the bottom, and again, and this the formula is here. Again, right and bottom, left, return, bottom, and face. Okay, the formula is, let's see, bottom, left, bottom, invert, left, invert, and first invert and bottom. To move from bottom to the right, we can repeat this: bottom, right, invert, right, invert, and return bottom. Let's see. And right, and the face in the upper side face, and bottom invert. Here is the bottom to left, and this bottom to right. Okay. Now we find next color. Oh, every this, no, we can move from bottom to the right to move this corner to another position by using the second formula, using this. Okay, move from here to here, right, left, sorry, bottom, right, return, okay, moves. After that, we can see one color here. Okay, we didn't care any cell with blue, because blue here. And now we find orange and green. Where is it? Oh, orange and green. Move from this, we use the first color. Bottom left, bottom invert left, invert bottom, opposite face, bottom, and again. Okay, the fist. Okay, next this orange and blue, no need to write it. Okay, here red and white, red and white. Red, move to this. From bottom to the left, we use the first formula. Right, bottom, left, invert bottom, invert left, but and invert bottom, left opposite side, bottom, opposite side again. Okay, now we can see every level, second level is finished. Now we do last level by using four formulas. Here we see the first formula to make cross at the bottom. I mean that cross with blue, and the second formula fix every side. The color, for example, green should be here, orange should be here, and white here, red should be here. It's the second formula. And the third formula to move, to make sure that the color of every corner is fixed, is correct. I mean that here should be blue, orange and white. Here should be orange, yellow, and this correct already. This correct already, but it's not. And the third formula, and the last, I mean the fourth formula. The fourth formula is the last step to finish this cube. Okay, we start with the first color to make cross abroad. Right face, bottom, invert face, inverted bottom, and inverted right. Okay, this, the yellow is finished, done. Okay, and the last one. The first formula to move from right to the top. I mean that, let's see this. Here, the formula, the first one, move this blue to this, or this to this, or this to this. We use the first formula to move from this to this. Okay. This to this. Start here. Right. Face. Again. Right. This. And this. Okay, now it's cross. We have cross. Now check the color of every side. Oh, lucky we have. This is lucky. That means that we don't need to use the second formula. The second is done already, because here we can find white, red, green, and orange. It's fixed. And the fourth formula to fix every color of every corner. here is done. Orange here, blue here, and white here is done. But this not finished, it's not correct, because here should be blue, but this not blue here. Okay, but red is red, but white no, this not correct. And this should be red, green and blue, but only blue and green, not this. Okay, so we use the third formula to move. This formula will move from this to this, this to this, and this to this. We use formula to fix color of every corner, and we should, because the formula will change 3 position, and this and this position, I mean the top left, it not change. It will not change, so we should be choice. We should choose one corner with fixed corner with fixed color. Okay, here we can see orange, white and blue. It finished. We keep it, and we use the third formula to move from this to this, this to this, and this to this. Now we will bottom, left, bottom, invert, right, invert, bottom, left, invert, bottom, invert, and right. Now we start to move it. Bottom, left, bottom, right, bottom, return, return, bottom, return, right. Now we check. Not finished. Okay, we should do again to move green, blue, orange to here. Okay, bottom, left, invert, bottom, right, invert, bottom, invert, left, invert, bottom, invert, right. Now check it fits, and this fits. Red here, red, blue, white, red, blue, white. Okay, check that it's done. And this green, blue and orange. Green here, blue here and orange here. It means that 4 corner is correct. It have correct color. Now we will do last formula with this formula. Here I will show you the second formula. We should choose one of them. I use this formula to do the last step. The formula is right, invert, invert right, invert down, right. Sorry, this is the bottom, right, invert, bottom, invert, right, and bottom. Okay. To do that, we should put keep the cube in this position. With the first phase we done already, but here from this we move this. Okay, and we check which corner is done. Here done, but it's not correct. It's done. Okay, we can try here or here. We start here. Before we do the last step, we move to wonder to join the side with not correct color. Okay, the formula is left, bottom, okay, left, again. Here we, from here we change. Okay, up, down here, and okay. So we start with this side, moving one round. Right invert, bottom invert, right bottom. Again, right invert, bottom invert, right bottom. Okay, the same color, we move one round. This is the same color, we move one round. Okay, right invert, bottom invert, right bottom. Again, because it's not correct. Right invert, bottom invert, right bottom. Again, right invert, bottom invert, right bottom. Again, right invert, bottom invert, right again. Now we see every face is correct. Okay, good successful to you. Good luck.